Hey there, another unboxing video again from Henry and Carla at SS Glass Art. In this case, I reached out to them and said, hey, I'm in need of some specific water jets. Can you make them for me? And not only did they make them for me, but they also made them for you because they're now on their Etsy store. So let me show you what they made for me. I'm very excited about these. Quite a bit here. Okay, here's the first giveaway. Look, music notes and treble clefs. Now these are awfully small and they're super delicate. So in this case, looks like he just used Scotch tape to tape them down, but that's perfect. But look how cool those are. They're I've got lots of ideas for how to use these in different pieces. Both my kids are in kind of music or music adjacent programs at the school. So my son is in band. This is an obvious connection to band, and I'm thinking that maybe there's an opportunity to make something for the band directors as a year-end gift. But my daughter's in theater, and they have a whole ton of friends that are in choir, and et cetera, et cetera. So anyway, I'm thinking that I'm going to end up making some things for graduation presents and thank you gifts and whatnot. And so these are going to be really helpful to me. And so, you know, most of this now is going to look the same because I asked for different sizes. So those are the smallest ones. And of course, these are all just regular black Bullseye COE 90. But if you didn't know, they're now offering some certain things in 96. So check them out for 96 as well. They're finally doing some cuts in kind of the most popular cuts and the most popular colors. Those are just cool, aren't they? I mean, obviously, this would be very difficult to cut on your own. And even if you had a ring saw, boy, that inside would be really, really tough. So water jets are the way to go. Saves me a ton of money. Looks super quality, really amazing stuff. And again, I had asked for different sizes for different projects, so stay tuned to the channel because you'll probably see these in more projects in the future. There's some larger ones. Aren't those cool? So you can imagine those on a platter, you know, maybe even as an ornament, something to hang in an office or put on a desk, perhaps, a stand-up, you know, paperweight, and including it on the front of something like that. Oops, sorry about that. Again, more big ones. I can turn this around, but you get it. So Henry and Carla, thank you for obliging. I went to their Etsy page and said, is there any chance that they have these? They did not. But again, that's the great thing about reaching out and knowing your suppliers is that I was able to drop a note and say, because I know they do commissions. Here's the last of them, and said, hey, can you guys do these for me? And they said, sure. And sounds like a good idea and something to add to the site. And then check this out. This is really cool. They've got these premium ribbon vitrographs in green. They know I love the green. And my understanding is Carla's been playing around with some stuff with vitrograph. So I'm going to try to carefully open this. Okay, there we go. Look how cool. So this looks like aventurine and spring green together in these gorgeous, gorgeous ribbons. They're kind of flat. Check that out. I have a random bug in here. It is spring, and the bugs are coming out in full force in Texas, folks. Check those out. I mean, if this doesn't just scream some sort of flower project, some sort of floral something, I don't know what does. Gosh, this is really, really cool. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I know that these are also on there. Now this is 90. This is Bullseye Glass, but go check out everything on their site, on their Etsy. I'll drop a link in the video notes. And again, they're offering 96 now, so go check that out as well. Go find your music notes, go find some really cool vitrograph, and find some inspiration while you're there. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.